it might just be my mom, but I hope it's not. Because why is it that everything or anything in the world could be happening at one time? Anything. I swear, anything. And she won't tell me until 30 seconds before that happens. Honey, sweetie, also, by the way, the friend that you haven't seen for 3 years that you stopped talking to completely is gonna be here in 3 minutes. Huh? I would need to mentally prepare myself for 2 weeks to see that person again. But no, I'm gonna see them in 30 seconds. Or like when I want to go shopping, I'm trying to go shopping. I want to shop for some new clothes or something. Oh, also, let's stop on the grocery store on the way home. And there's no way I can negotiate out of that because she's like, well, I don't want to have to waste gas and drop you off home and then go back. You could have told me that before. I don't want to go to the grocery store. Like, why? Why are you making me do this? Like, it's... Like, and then I have to sit there. Either when the friend comes over, just silently, I'm like, hi. Because I don't know what to say to them. It's been 3 years that we went out of touch like 2.5 years ago. Like, I don't know what to say to you. Like, you're probably paying your own taxes now. I don't know. I don't know what's going on in your life. And you expect me to socialize with them like normal? Like, that can't happen. And then my mother expects me to be so grateful and so happy and literally praise her so bad because you took me to the grocery store. And she's like, well, I bought you clothes. You bought me clothes and what? That's what I thought. But like, and then like, I don't want to walk around, so I just sit in the car, and then I get rammed by multiple people in the back of the car, and then I have to say, it's okay, when they apologize. No, it's not okay. Watch where you're going. Like, jeez. The struggles. Alright, that's all for today. Toodles!